Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to activate your Cash App card. First thing first, open the Cash App on your iPhone or Android. Tap the Cash Card icon, which is the second from the left at the bottom. Now tap the green Order button and choose your card color, black or white. Decide if you want your cash tag on the card toggle on for yes or off for no. Optional, you can customize your card like add in a signature, draw in or icon by tapping Tap to Customize. Now enter your mailing address, then tap Next and confirm your first and last name, then tap Next. Enter your date of birth and enter the last 4 digits of your SSN. A confirmation page will appear, just tap Continue. Now add funds to your card, which is optional, or tap the X to skip. Your card will arrive in about 10 business days. To activate it, just open the Cash App, tap the Cash Card icon, then tap Activate Cash Card. Allow Cash App to access your camera, then scan the QR code that comes with your card. Once scanned, your Cash Card is activated and ready to use. Just a tip, if you don't want to use the QR code method, you can also manually enter the CVV and expiration date printed on the card to activate it. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.